Today we're working on dehydrated starter. Yay! So today what we're doing is we're playing around with some dehydrated sourdough starter. There's a couple different pros to the dehydrated version rather than fresh starter, but today we are figuring out if we can run it in the Sourdough Sidekick machine, and we're also going to be testing different brands. So we got some ones that are crumbs, we have some powders, as well as some like chunks as well. And for each of the different ones we're testing, we are doing one control, so just manually by hand per the manufacturer's instructions, and then the other one we are going to be running on ratio mode. We're just going to do a 1:1:1 ratio and feed it every 12 hours. All right, so for each of the different tests, we want to keep it as similar as possible for each of the different brands. So we did 10 grams of the dehydrated starter, both for the control and also the ones that will be going inside the units. All of the units will be running the same 1:1:1 12-hour feeding ratio. We also got some cool new band prototypes. So we've heard your comments about the Crocs being slippery and hard to hold on to. So here is a possible final design, but also just a prototype at the moment of a band that can fit onto your Croc, and it will also work in the machine as well. So you won't have to take it off when you remove your machine, when you remove your Croc from your machine. We're back at it with more mixing testing. So this time we are going to be playing around with humidity. So we built this little makeshift humidity chamber out of some acrylic. We have our control board and our ultrasonic humidity sensor, as well as some little 3D printed parts that we used just to hold it in place so it continues to run. But we're going to be testing to see what a high humidity environment does to the starter and also the health of your starter. So we're going to be running it at about between like 80% to about 90% humidity inside the chamber, and we will reevaluate in about 12 hours. So now we're experimenting around with just putting the dehydrated starter into the Croc and just running it automatically on auto mode with zero prep, so it's just from packaging right into the Croc. Okay, so we went ahead and ran a 12-hour auto mode. It turned out really, really well. Everything looked bubbly and great, and just like any other starter that you would have or use or make on auto mode. And then we're also testing a 7-day auto mode cycle, which will be done soon in a couple of days. As of now, the 7-day auto mode doesn't look too good. It's a little bit thicker than normal, so we're going to be monitoring that and seeing what the results are. The humidity testing that we did in the Sidekick turned out to be inconclusive, which is pretty interesting. So we're going to do a bit more testing to see if we can have any additional insight in the future. The extra humidity didn't really seem to affect it at all. Normally in the makerspace here, it's about 65 to 70% humidity, and in our little box we had it up to 90% humidity, but it didn't really seem to change anything. All right, so anyways, in the meantime, we're going to keep experimenting and working on both humidity testing and dehydrated sourdough testing, but in the meantime, keep leaving comments below. Post your recipes and your experiments on Facebook, and we'll see you next time.